Hey Blueprint Builders, welcome back to Digital Dollars Blueprint. I'm AI Clarence, and today, I'm bringing you something super exciting. If you've ever dreamed of turning your love for gaming into an income, I'm here to show you exactly how that's possible. In this video, I'm breaking down a complete step-by-step guide on how you could earn $6,000 a month playing video games.
And don't worry, I'm not going to tell you to go pro or become a world-class gamer. This strategy is something anyone with a love for gaming and a little dedication can try.
So, grab a snack, maybe a notebook, and let's dive into how you can start earning with your favorite games.
Section 1. Why gaming as an income source? So, why gaming? In case you didn't know, gaming has exploded as a potential income stream in recent years. With platforms like Twitch, YouTube, and even TikTok, players are no longer just gaming for fun. They're turning this passion into a viable income source. Right now, we're at a unique point where there's real money to be made in the gaming world. With the right approach, engaging personality, and commitment, earning $6,000 a month is definitely achievable. Now, I'm not promising overnight success, but with consistency, you can build a solid following and start generating an income. Ready to learn how? Let's go. Section 2. Setting up your gaming channel. Let's start with the essentials, your setup. Now, a lot of people think you need a huge investment up front, but that's actually not true. You can get started with a solid gaming console or a mid-range PC, a good microphone, and a webcam. These three basics are all you need to go live and start streaming. Your mic is key because people want to hear you clearly. Even more than graphics, clear audio really improves your viewer experience. And for the webcam, don't stress about getting the fanciest one, just make sure you have good lighting so people can see you. This is a setup you can build on over time. But remember, start with what you can afford. Once you're up and running, we can talk about the games you should play to grow your channel. Section 3. Choosing the right games. Alright, next step, picking the right games to stream. Here's the deal, some games attract way more viewers than others, so you want to be strategic. Don't just play the most popular games. Find a balance between popular titles and those that aren't oversaturated. 1. Popular titles with room for new streamers. Games like Fortnite, Minecraft, and Call of Duty are consistently popular, but the competition is high. If you can bring a unique angle, like special challenges or fun commentary, you can stand out. 2. Niche games with dedicated followings. Look for games with smaller but passionate audiences. For example, games like Stardew Valley, Hades, or indie horror games have loyal fanbases but fewer streamers. This could be a goldmine for building a tight-knit community. 3. Try variety streaming. Switch it up occasionally. Maybe do a new game every Friday theme, or a throwback day where you play retro games. Variety can keep your channel interesting and attract diverse viewers. Section 4. Engaging with your audience. Now, this next part is huge. If you want to grow and keep viewers coming back, you've got to build a connection with them. People love to feel like they're part of your stream, so let's look at some ways to do that. 1. Chat with your viewers. Welcome new viewers and thank people for joining. Ask questions or respond to comments as much as possible. 2. Set up alerts. Use alerts so that when someone follows, subscribes, or donates, it pops up on the screen. This is a small detail, but viewers love feeling acknowledged and it's a great way to build community. 3. Personalize your streams. Make each stream feel like an event, whether it's viewer challenge days or Ask Me Anything sessions. This variety keeps things fun and gives people reasons to come back. 4. Keep an eye on your energy. Staying upbeat and interactive can be tough, but it's important. Bring your personality and remember, people love enthusiasm. By engaging with your viewers, You're not just a gamer anymore, you're becoming a community leader. And that brings us to the big question, how can you start making money? Section 5, Earning money from your channel. Twitch offers multiple ways to earn. And I'm going to break down each one so you can see how they can add up to $6,000 a month. Let's go through them. 1. Subscriptions, viewers can subscribe to your channel at $4.99, $9.99, or $24.99 a month. You get about 50% of each subscription. So if you can build a base of 300 subscribers at $4.99, that's around $750 per month. 2. Bits Twitch's tipping system. Viewers can buy and send bits as a way of tipping. Every bit is worth 1 cent. So if viewers send you 50,000 bits in a month, that's another $500. 3. Ad revenue. Twitch allows you to run ads during your stream. Though ad revenue isn't huge, with a steady viewership, it can bring in around $100 to $300 per month. 4. Donations. Through platforms like PayPal, viewers can send you donations directly. This is often a good source of income if your fans feel connected to you. 5. Sponsorships and affiliate marketing. This is where the bigger money can start to come in. Once you build an audience, brands may pay you to use or talk about their products on stream. Or, you could share affiliate links. And each sale made through your link earns you a commission.
So as you can see, if you combine all these income sources, $6,000 a month is within reach.
Of course, these numbers depend on consistency and viewer engagement. So the final piece of the puzzle is to keep growing your channel. Section 6, Building your audience beyond Twitch. Now here's something that will set you apart. Don't just focus on Twitch. Share clips from your streams on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Twitter to reach a wider audience. These platforms are great for short, attention-grabbing moments, and they can drive new viewers to your channel. Try creating highlight reels or funny moments that make people curious to see more. Repurposing your content is one of the smartest ways to grow your fan base.
All right, we've covered it all. How to set up your channel, choose the right games, engage with your audience, earn money, and grow your following. Streaming on Twitch might seem intimidating at first, but remember, it's all about connecting with people and doing what you love. So if you're ready to give it a shot, I encourage you to start today. You don't need to be perfect or have all the answers. Just go live, have fun, and stay consistent. Thanks so much for watching. If this guide helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, and drop any questions or thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you and help you on your journey.
Remember, every successful streamer started somewhere. Why not make today your day one?
Thanks again for tuning in to Digital Dollars Blueprint. I'm AI Clarence, and I'll catch you in the next video. Happy streaming!